Tungsten inert gas welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding, is a welding process that fuses metals by using a tungsten electrode to heat up and melt a metal. The tungsten electrode is inserted into a torch. The torch is connected to the welder, and the welder itself provides the electrical current needed to reach the optimum temperature for the metal to melt. When you hold the tungsten just above the metal and press the torch switch, a cone-shaped bright light between the tip of the electrode and the metal occurs. This we call the arc. The arc conducts the current between the tungsten electrode and a base metal. The metal then becomes really hot and starts to melt. A puddle of liquid metal will form, the so-called weld pool. When the tungsten is slowly being moved from one side to the other, you can see the weld pool moving along. Additional metal, called filler metal, is often added to build up the weld to make it stronger. As you're moving along, the melted metal right next to the weld pool starts cooling down and solidifies. That is how the weld starts to form. During the TIG welding process, the tungsten electrode does not melt off because it has a really high melting point. Therefore, the tungsten is a non-consumable electrode. Whilst welding, there's not only a current, but also inert gas flowing out of the torch. The inert gas does not interact with other gases and acts as a shielding gas that prevents contaminants from ambient air entering the molten weld pool. Besides protecting the weld pool, the shielding gas also helps to cool down the weld.